Jean, thank you very much. So the International Longshore and Warehouse Union's 22,000 workers, they're all across the ports on the west coast of the United States. We've got 2 more days for these talks to continue. What are you hearing so far? And I know they've said that they wouldn't strike if they don't reach a deal, but what do you think the rest of the economy should brace for if there isn't some sort of an agreement by Friday?
Good morning, Leslie. Good to see you. There's nothing to brace for. Both sides have seasoned negotiators at the table. Each understands the impact to the economy of these 30 West Coast ports that they represent, from the Employers Association and the dock workers. The president himself has met with the international president of the ILW 3 times face-to-face. I've met with the president twice. And Secretary of Labor Marty Walsh is keeping a close eye on these negotiations. But both sides are pushing through. Let's give them the room to do that negotiation, and the rest of us are going to move all this freight through the nation's largest gateway.
But given what's at stake, doesn't that give the upper hand to the union workers to be able to say, look, you really, really need us right now, and here's what we need from you?
I'd argue that labor always has the upper hand. We count on these men and women so much. The longshore dock workers here in Southern California have been on the job 6 days a week on average since the pandemic began. These are the true American transportation heroes.
Okay, well, I want to turn now to kind of what you're seeing with regard to the supply chain challenges we've been talking about on the ground right now. Shipping prices have abated somewhat recently, but still up dramatically from before 2020. I think it's 444% above where it was before the pandemic. Do you think that this trend continues? We should just expect to see these elevated levels? Or do you think that these declines, these recent declines, are indicative of a future trend?
Well, as a longtime participant in the industry, it's about the supply-demand curve. You've got every ship deployed in the waterborne architecture of these trade lanes, and there's more cargo than there is ship space, generally speaking. We had our best first quarter ever, second best April, and May was our third best month overall in the history of the port. The June numbers coming in will rival the all-time record that we set for the month of June just last year. So that cargo keeps coming. The supply-demand curve on the vessel space compared to the amount of cargo coming in will continue to be a pinch point.
And so there's no even long-term movement on that supply side of things. Gene, I guess that's the question in terms of whether during this whole period there's been any kind of clearer avenues to trying to expand capacity.
Yeah, Mike, the order book on these container vessels is the largest it's been in recent memory. There are probably more than 550 ships on order, some of which will start hitting the water next summertime in 2023. So between this peak season and the beginning of next, we're still going to be pretty tight. But those new build ships will be coming in. There will be some attrition of existing vessel capacity, but dollar for dollar, you'll see an uptick in the vessel capacity over the next year and beyond.
Given the more recent consumer shift toward services versus goods, is that providing any kind of relief? Is that why you're seeing pricing come down a little bit?
Not really. We're still spending more money on goods than we are on services. And what we saw just today, released by the Commerce Department, exports had a nice uptick for the month of May, shrinking that trade gap to the lowest level this year. But the inbound cargo, those imports, are going to be strong for the back half of the year. Some of the retailers have been talking about heightened levels of inventory, the need possibly to discount and push those out of their warehouses, off-store and fulfillment center shelves. But the cargo that's going to be coming in for the second half of the year looks different. It's your seasonal products like back to school, fall fashion, and the all-important retail year-end holiday season goods, landing right now a little bit earlier than normal. The retail push continues to be strong.